Hi guys, this is Arzu from Global Project Control. Today I want to talk to you about Primavera P6 Fundamental Course. Let's talk about content and date. The course will begin at 2nd of the March to 9th of the March. You will receive electronic backup file. This course covered all P6 fundamental information. In this course, we have 5 sessions over 7 hours tutorials. And during this course, we also have 3 workshops over 3 hours. Let's talk about lessons, subjects, and content. In lesson 1, initiation section, we'll learn about general definition, file menu, edit menu, view menu. In the next lesson, in initiation section, we learn about project menu, enterprise menu, and after that, the lesson 3 will begin. In initiation section, we talk about admin menu, tools menu, and this is the end of lesson 3. And we start the workshop 1. In workshop 1, we practice what we learn in initiation section. And we practice to create a project, create activities, make a relationship, assign the resource, and create a calendar. During lesson 4, now we start to learn how tracking, updates, and monitoring works, how group and sort option work, how use the filter, how Gant chart and bar setting works, introduce financial periods, introduce activity types and the differences, and after that, we go through workshop 2 and we learn how to update project in activities and resources. During lesson 5, we learn how to use analyzing and reporting, introduce report module, how you can share a report, how you can create WBS reports and its elements, how you can create activity reports and its elements. After that, we go through workshop 3. In workshop 3, we practice how to create EPC curve template and update overall EPC curve and engineering, procurement, construction, S-curve individually. After this course, you will be familiar with all activity types, create the project with relationships, load the resources to the project, use to global change in the project, create project status Gant chart report, update the project progress, and create a project S-curve. After this course, we will support you and you can keep in touch with Global Project Group in Telegram and WhatsApp. And also, we will help you and troubleshooting and support you. Let's talk about how you can enroll in this course. First, you should send a text over WhatsApp or LinkedIn. Pay the course fee, receive course PDF file, receive course username and password, and this is the WhatsApp number and LinkedIn link you should contact. Thank you for your interest in Primavera P6 Fundamental Course. You are not alone with Global Project Control. Thank you.